guys, today I'm going to be making slime with a spinner app. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be spinning the spinner to see what glue I get. Okay, so I got white glue. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some white glue into the bowl. I think that's enough. So now I'm going to be spinning the wheel to see what color I get. Okay, so it landed on pink. So I'm going to use that. So now I'm going to add the color. It looks a little purple now, but I think when I start stirring it in, it'll turn more pink. Okay, I think I'm just about finished. It did turn a really pretty pink color. Okay, so now I'm spinning the wheel to see what type of slime I get. Okay, it landed on fluffy, so I'm gonna make my slime fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna add lotion to make it fluffy. There we go. Now I'm gonna mix it in. Okay, so now that we added lotion to make it fluffy, I'm gonna add some activator, but I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. Now I'm gonna mix it. Let me just add some more. Okay, I'll be right back when the slime is activated. Okay, so this is the results for the pink slime. It's really pretty pink and it's like super stretchy. It's not sticky and I'm really proud of myself. So I actually really love this shade of pink. It's like super pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a swirl.